You're invited to meet in Prince Edward Island. Prince Edward Island's natural resources sector is leading the way with internationally recognized expertise and infrastructure and has become a key pillar of the provincial economy. From prominent industry players to academic institutions, government, and research partners, Prince Edward Island is a premier destination for ocean science, aquaculture, and wind and solar energy meetings and conventions. Unique venues, world-class food, stunning scenery, and out-of-the-box experiences all come together to create the perfect destination for your next meeting.
The Aquaculture Association of Canada is excited to once again hold our annual conference in PEI. Our delegates love coming to PEI. It is often one of our highest attended events, with delegates coming from the aquaculture industry, government, academia, and other support businesses. Delegates enjoy everything PEI has to offer, from business and social networking at our wonderful restaurants, visiting with local seafood companies, our beautiful beaches and landscapes, and of course, the charming island people. While our delegates come for the conference, they often stay on longer to enjoy everything PEI has to offer.
Key players in Prince Edward Island's natural resources community include Frontier Power Systems, innovators in wind turbine design and manufacturing, Aspen Kempen Associates, leaders in systems integration focusing on energy efficiency in diesel, island, and microgrid power stations, and Raspberry Point Oyster Company, producers of North America's most sought-after oysters.
Here at the Canadian Centre for Climate Change and Adaptation in beautiful St. Peters Bay in eastern PEI, we have a unique opportunity to examine climate change from a number of aspects, whether that's from food security and sustainability, precision agriculture, human and animal health, and coastal erosion. The Centre provides us an opportunity to bring in experts and researchers to examine all of these areas. We're very lucky and fortunate to work with local industries and partners, including the First Nations communities at Abergwit and Lennox Island, and our partnership with Parks Canada and Greenwich gives us a unique opportunity to explore the natural habitats of the area.
We invite you to host your business event on Prince Edward Island, where we will toast innovation, research, and collaboration. Business meets in Prince Edward Island.